Hi everyone, it's Femi Alaniyo here, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can start crypto trading and become a profitable trader in 6 steps. Now, I got into crypto in 2018 and I started crypto trading fully in 2019. And these 6 steps I'm about to share with you guys were the steps I followed when I wanted to start it. So if you're interested in this, make sure you stick to the end of this video so you don't miss any important information. But before I go on, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Alaniyo and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, make sure you stick to the end of this video and please like this video. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. The first step to getting into crypto trading is to do your research. Now, when I wanted to start crypto trading, this was the first thing I did. I actually got to discover crypto in 2017 and I started doing my research on everything about crypto and how it works. Now, I also did my research on the kind of risk involved in crypto trading. And also, I watched a lot of videos and read a lot of articles and blog posts at that time. Now, I was doing all this because I wanted to know if the crypto thing was going to be worth it for me and to see if it was something I could do. So after doing a lot of research, watching a lot of videos, I made up my mind to go into crypto in 2017. But I didn't have the funds at that time. So I didn't start until 2018 and I started trading crypto fully in 2019. Now, the reason why I'm telling you all of this is that doing your research will really help you know if crypto trading is meant for you or if you have the ability to go into crypto trading. And also, if you are the kind of person who cannot take huge risk, then crypto trading is definitely not for you. So ensure you do your research before you go into crypto trading. It is very important and it will really help you decide if crypto trading is for you. Now, you might want to ask me that how do you do your research if you want to go into crypto trading? Now, doing your research is as simple as you going on your phone or going on Google and typing what is crypto trading or typing what do I need to know before going into crypto trading or typing what are the risks involved in crypto trading and so on. Now, these are the basic things you can just type on your phone and do your research on before you go into crypto trading. And you can get all this information for free on YouTube, on Google, or anywhere on the internet. And you can also listen to different crypto influencers on the internet, on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and so on. Now, before I go to number 2, I also want to say something that is very important. Now, you need to know that crypto trading is not you buying a particular crypto and holding it for as long as you can. That is investing. Now, investing is different from crypto trading. Now, investing is just you buying crypto and then holding it in your wallet for as long as you can, for maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and so on. But trading is where you actually go into the market and doing your analysis and then buying the crypto and selling the crypto, or in futures trading where you can long or short different cryptocurrencies. So this is what trading is all about. I can do this multiple times in a day or multiple times in a month. So that is what crypto trading is all about. So you need to know the difference between investing in crypto and trading crypto. So that's my first step, which is do your research. The second step to start crypto trading is to learn. Now, I always tell people that the kind of dedication that you give into learning anything will determine how successful you are in that thing. Now, that is the same for crypto trading. Now, there's a post on my Instagram that says the 3 steps to be successful with crypto trading are learn, practice, and make money. Now, after I made my research and I decided to go into crypto trading, the next thing was to start looking for how to learn crypto trading. And the first way I learned crypto trading was through a class on WhatsApp that was organized for just 5,000 Naira. And I actually paid that 5,000 Naira to learn crypto trading at that time. Though we only taught the basics of crypto in that WhatsApp group, which I can still remember vividly. And that was the first kind of lesson I took for crypto trading. And then after that class, I remember I started doing a lot of learning by myself through YouTube videos. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to do crypto trading. I was also learning different crypto trading strategies from different YouTubers at that time. And then from there, I went on to buying a lot of crypto trading courses online, especially on Udemy. I learned about technical or fundamental analysis, support and resistance, trend lines, risk management, and so on. And I was doing this for about 1 year before I started getting profitable. I started getting back-to-back profits from my trades towards the end of 2020, and that was over 1 year after I took that class for 5,000 Naira. And I'm sure you know I lost a lot of money along the way while learning. So you can see that it took me a long time for me to start making back-to-back profits from crypto trading. So for those of you who think maybe you can just come into crypto trading and start making money after 3 days or after 1 week or even the next day, crypto trading is definitely not for you. It takes time to become a profitable crypto trader. It doesn't happen overnight. No successful trader became profitable or became a professional after just 1 week or just 1 month. It took time before anyone became profitable. So you need to be able to dedicate time to this thing before you can become profitable. So once again, if you are the kind of person who is looking to make fast money, or maybe you want to get into crypto trading now and start making money after just 1 week, after some days, then crypto trading is definitely not for you. Now, what you may want to ask me is, how do I learn about crypto trading? Now, there are various ways you can start learning about crypto trading. And the first way I always advise people is to start with free YouTube videos. Now, if you want to start crypto trading, don't force yourself to start buying courses or start buying coaching sessions on the internet. Start with free YouTube videos. There are so many YouTube videos, including the ones on my YouTube channel, that can guide you on how you can become a profitable crypto trader. So if you are the kind of person without enough money to get a course or to go for one-on-one coaching, you can just start with YouTube videos. And if you feel like maybe you also want to get courses or you want to get coaching from maybe a mentor, which is good, then you can decide to go for that. So this is the second step to start crypto trading. Ensure you learn. The third step to crypto trading is to practice. Now, as a beginner, after you've learned the most important things you need to learn and you finish taking different courses, the next thing is not to start focusing on making money at all. The next thing is to start practicing everything that you have learned. And this is very, very important. You can only get better at something if you practice it regularly. For example, if you watch a video about how to design a flyer and you don't put what you've learned into practice, then you've not learned anything. So it's always important to always practice whatever you are learning. Also, when you are practicing, it is important to start with small amounts of money. That is an amount that you can afford to lose. Remember, you're only practicing and you are not yet a pro. So you are not focusing on making money yet. So don't put too much money. Just put in an amount of money or a little amount of money that you can afford to lose. Now, the main goal of this stage or this step is to be able to master whatever you've learned and be good at it. And always make sure that you record your trades. It is very, very important. And this is because so you can always come back to it to learn from it. Also, another important thing is that while you're practicing, don't rush to go into futures trading. Now, futures trading, as you all know, is more risky than spot trading. So always start with spot trading. And that is what I always advise a lot of people to do. Start with spot trading, and by the time you want to move into futures trading, it is easier for you. Now, for example, I was doing spot trading for over 1 year before I moved into futures trading. I started futures trading in June of 2021, and because I was already doing spot trading for a while, it was easy for me. So start with a simple one, which is spot trading, and then from there, you can later move on to futures trading. Before I go to number 4, if you watch this video to this point, kindly like the video so a lot of people can benefit from this video. And I would love to get 1,000 likes on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and help me get to 50,000 subscribers. Thank you. The fourth step to become a profitable crypto trader is to develop your trading strategy. Now, after practicing everything that you've learned, the next step is to create a trading strategy or a trading plan for yourself. Now, trading without a plan is one of the bad decisions you can make while trading. You can lose a lot of money without a trading plan. Now, how do you create a trading strategy or a trading plan? Now, remember that you've practiced a lot and you must have tested different strategies, different time frames, different indicators, and different market pairs in the previous steps. And don't forget that you also recorded all your trades in the previous step also. Now, these are the things and the information that you will use to develop your trading strategy or your trading plan. Now, what I always advise people to do is that identify what worked for you while you were practicing with different trades. It is always better to start with whatever is working for you. You don't need to have the same strategy as me. What you need to do is to define a clear trading strategy for yourself, a trading strategy that aligns with your goals and your risk tolerance. So decide on the cryptocurrencies you also want to trade, the frequency of your trading, and the percentage you want to risk on your trades. You also need to determine your entry and your exit point from your strategy. So the summary of this is create a strategy for yourself and stick to that strategy and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term price movement. And that is very, very important. Step 5 is to increase your capital. Now, after developing a strategy for yourself, the next thing is how you can increase your capital. because at this stage, you already have a strategy that is working for you. So you have to start looking for how you can increase your capital so your profit can start making sense. And I'm sure you know that the higher your capital, the more profit you can be able to make in the market, and also the easier the trade will be for you. And I'm very sure you know that for those that have large capital, they can take a trade for a very short period of time and make a reasonable amount of profit. So once you have a strategy that is working for you, make sure you start looking for how you can increase your capital. Step 6 is to have a target. Now, one of the things that has helped me to become a profitable crypto trader is having a monthly target. Now, a realistic monthly target is what I mean by this. Now, having a weekly or a monthly target is one easy way to achieve your trading goals. Now, how do you create a target for yourself? Now, let's say, for example, you plan to make $2,000 every month. What you should do is divide that $2,000 into 4, since we have 4 weeks in a month. That will be $500 every week. So that means that your weekly target is $500. Now, the trick here is that splitting that $2,000 into $500 weekly target will make it look easy for you, and you can easily make that every week. Also, when setting your target, set a realistic target, please. Not that if you have a capital of $100, you'll be planning to make $1,000 every week. That is not possible, and that is not even realistic. So make sure you set a realistic target. Now, in conclusion, starting crypto trading can be overwhelming, but by following the 6 steps that I've mentioned in this video, you can become a profitable crypto trader. Now, remember to do your research, learn, practice, develop your trading strategy, increase your capital, and have a target. It takes time and dedication to become a profitable and successful crypto trader. So be patient and don't rush into making money. Always learn to stick to your strategy and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term movements in the market. So with these tips, you can start your crypto trading journey and work towards achieving your trading goals. Also, if you're interested in starting crypto trading but you don't know what app to use, you can check out this video right here for 5 best crypto trading apps for beginners. I'll see you in that video. Bye for now.